Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale e-commerce operations with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale your e-commerce operations with Shopify, begin by assessing your current business model. Identify your target market and customer segments. Research competitors to understand their strategies and performance. Refine your brand identity, ensuring it aligns with your target audience. Next, optimize your Shopify store for better user experience. Choose a clean, responsive theme that represents your brand well. Ensure your site is easy to navigate, with clear categories and search functionality. Implement high-quality images and persuasive product descriptions. Consider using video content to improve engagement. Once your store is optimized, focus on inventory management. Use Shopify apps or third-party tools to track stock levels and forecast demand. Set up automated alerts for low stock items to prevent missed sales. Next, enhance your marketing efforts to reach a wider audience. Develop a comprehensive digital marketing strategy incorporating SEO, email marketing, and social media. Leverage targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Create quality content that resonates with your audience and encourages sharing. To build customer loyalty, implement a rewards or referral program. Encourage repeat purchases by offering discounts or free shipping on future buys. Engage with customers through personalized email campaigns and follow-ups. Next, analyze your store's performance using Shopify Analytics. Monitor key performance indicators like conversion rates and average order value. Identify areas needing improvement to enhance overall profitability. Consider expanding your product line based on customer feedback and market trends. Collaborate with suppliers for better pricing or dropshipping options to reduce overhead costs. As your operations grow, evaluate the need for additional staff or outsourcing tasks. Hire virtual assistants for customer service or utilize fulfillment services to streamline operations. Continuously test and refine your strategies based on data analysis. Stay adaptable to market changes and emerging trends in e-commerce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.